In this video, we'll see grammatical homonyms and more precisely mais, 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 mais. So homonyms, or grammatical homonyms in that case, are in fact words that are pronounced the same way but written differently because they are totally different. First one, mais, 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 mais. So as you can see, we pronounce them exactly the same way, but let's have a look at the examples to make sure that you get it. Mais, mais, voici mes deux enfants. Voici mes deux enfants. Voici mes deux enfants. Mais tu as raison. Mais tu as raison. So as you can see, the meaning is totally different, but you will pronounce them the same way. Voici mes deux enfants. Mais tu as raison. Mais. So as you can see, this is the same translation, but in fact it's the verb mettre. And the verb mettre in that situation, here it's conjugated in, well, the first and the second person of the singular. And in that case, here it will be conjugated in the third masculine or feminine person of the singular. So first example, je mets mes chaussures. Oops, there is a typo here. It should be A-U-S-S-U-R-E. Chaud. U is missing here. Sorry about that. Tu mets du temps. Je mets mes chaussures. A-U. Tu mets du temps. And let's have a look at the other one. Il met un verre sur la table. Elle met une écharpe. Il met un verre sur la table. Elle met une écharpe. So in this situation, it's quite interesting because you have the same verb. The verb is mettre, but as you can see, you pronounce them the same way. So je, tu, il, and elle, it's pronounced mais, but it's clearly written differently because you've got the S in the end of je and tu. Chaussures, A-U. Let's not forget that.